Hey friends, welcome to Easy Multiplication Tricks by Fast Learners. Today we are going to learn how to multiply 3-digit number with 3-digit numbers. And I have written an example over here which I am going to explain you. See, here 654 multiplied by 321. What we will do here first, multiply 4 by 1. So the answer here is 4. Now we'll multiply 5 with 1. So 5 and 4 with 2. So 4 2s are 8. Here 8 plus 5 we will get 13. So we have to write 3 over here and 1 is carry forward. We will write this 1 over here somewhere. Okay. Now we will multiply 6 by 1 and 4 by 3. So you know 6 ones are 6 and 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 6 will be 18 and we have to add 5 twos are 10. 10 into it. So 18 plus 10 will be 28. 28 plus 1, this carry forward 1, we will add in 28, so we will get 29. Okay. Now we don't have 1 carry, we will cut this and we will write 2 here because we have 2 carry forward. 2 we have to carry forward. Now the next one, we will multiply 6 by 2, that will be 12. Multiply 5 by 3, that will be 15. 12 plus 15, 12 twos are 24. 24 plus 3 will be 27. Okay. In this 27 we have to add 2, so it will be 29. And we will cut this carry forward, but we will have to write again 2 because we are carrying this 2 forward again. Now the last step, 6 threes are 18 and we have to add this 2 in 18, so 19 and 20. So this 20 I will write here. Okay. See one more time, and this is my answer. I will explain you what I did one more time. First I have multiplied 4 by 1. So I got 4 here. Then I have multiplied 5 with 1 and 4 with 2. And I have added both these products. Okay. After that I multiplied 6 by 1, 4 by 3 and 5 by 2, and I have added all the 3 products. In the end I have multiplied 6 by 2 and 5 by 3 and then added both the products. And in the end I have multiplied 6 by 3. So it was like this. First I have done this, then I have multiplied like this, then I have multiplied like this and added the product. Again I multiplied like this and then I did this. Please remember this. Let's see one more sum. 728 multiplied by 563. Let's see this. 8 threes are 24. 4. Here 2 carry forward. I will write here. Now as you know, we have to multiply this 2 and this 2. So 2 threes are 6 and 6 fours are 48. If you will add 6 into 48, so you will get 8 plus 2, that is 50, and 54. 54 plus 2 will be 56. So we will write 6 here and we'll write 5 carry forward now. Now we'll be multiplying this. 7 threes are 21 and 8 fives are 40. You know that 40 plus 21 will give us 61 and the 6 twos are 12. 61 plus 10 will be 71 plus 2 will be 73. 73 plus 5 we have to do. 73 plus 5 will give you 78. And we will now write 8 here and 7 will be carry forwarded. Now we will multiply 7 with 6 and 5 with 2. So 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 10 will be 52. Okay, 52 plus 7 will be 59. And again 5 will be carry forwarded. Okay, last step, 7 5s are 35 and 35 plus 5 is 40. So this is our final answer. I hope that you understood this easy multiplication trick.